Hey guys, so in the last video, I asked all of you to pause in life and observe. Now, today, I'm going to take a step further. I'm going to take the liberty to share what you can do, to suggest what you can do after you have paused, if you have decided to pause. We all have a subconscious pattern in life, which, if we look carefully at our lives, we would be able to observe. They're very simple yet subtle patterns that we all have in our lives. To give you an example, what I did was I observed my first thought of the day. I tried to recollect, I tried to observe what is the first thought of my day. And to my amazement, what I realized was whenever I used to wake up, more often than not, I used to feel I'm late. It might be for school, it went the same for the college, and then same for my job, which I was doing until few time back. I have always felt that I am late. This is the first thought of my day. I should have woken up early. The journey of shoulds begin here. I start blaming myself. When I think about a should and start believing in it, I should have woken up early. And then this chain begins. Then the next probable thought is, I should have slept early. Again, more blame, more guilt. And I get addicted to it. And then I wonder that why don't I have the required energy and excitement to take on the day? Because the first thought of the day sets the tone of the day. And what am I doing is the first thought of the day, I'm blaming myself or I'm blaming someone else. Then my next thought is, my kids didn't let me sleep on time, my wife didn't let me sleep on time, and I blame them or I blame myself. Whoever, the blame game is on, and I'm addicted to blaming. Who thought only alcohol and cigarettes we can get addicted to? These are subconscious addictions that we don't even know, and yet most of us are a victim of it, if I dare say the word victim. It, it is like our thoughts are like these uninvited guests that show up at our house. And what we do is we leave all our work and we entertain them. We cook meal for them, we feed them, we entertain them. What we need to do is we need to observe these thoughts rather than identifying with them. Rather than cooking meal for them, we don't need to entertain them. If we observe our thoughts, it's like when guests show up, we don't entertain them, we don't feed them. We have been doing this for such a long period of time that once we start observing, they might still show up for some time because we have fed them for so long. But if we stay cold enough, if we can observe it, if we can be in the knowing that yes, I operate in patterns and I choose now to see them rather than being in them. We reside on earth. It's like earth, as earth is rotating, we also have a tendency to, repeat the same patterns. It's like the days keep on repeating, right? There is a Monday this week, then again there is a Monday next week, there's a Tuesday this week. Everything is in patterns, and we have a natural tendency to get pulled to these patterns subconsciously if we are not aware enough, if we are not vigilant enough. We need to observe these patterns and they will start dissolving themselves. You don't need to do anything. You just need to see them for what they are. Let me know in comments your first thought of the day, or any other pattern that you could observe. Message me, text me, WhatsApp me. Bye bye. Take care.